You can make such cards till 50 also, na? Extend it till 50. Claps for them.
Clap for them. Yes.
Done? Yours is done?
Okay.
No, not yet.
Can you move to the next activity or you need 5 minutes break? When light is on.
So this
Obstacle
is
is there, means darkness is there, then light.
where is your sensor?
Sensor.
This side.
This base sensor base is there. This is light. And when obstacle is there, then
Your hand is the obstacle.
Yes, like this only. This off. On.
We have used that light sensor. When first, if you want to make that street light model, what will we do by using that power? Sensor base, NOT gate is used and light is also used. When we on that power and when we put that hand on the light sensor, darkness should be there, and after that light is glowing. When we are going to remove that hand, light gets switch off. So that is for street light.
And you have made that obstacle sensor also?
Yeah, that also.
Sure. Ragini, I am coming to you also. Yeah? Then get it charged.
When we are using that obstacle sensor, we need to use this obstacle sensor. Those
Right.
are two different ones. So when we remove our hand, the light is getting switched on. Again, when we put that hand, that means obstacle is there, then light getting switched off.
Nice. So this can work as a security system also.
ह्याच्यात लावलं.
Please keep all the blocks inside the box. Eight. So 9 twos are 1 and 8. 80. 9 threes are 27. 2 and 7. 9 fours are 36. Okay? This is how we can teach table. 9 table also, right? आणखीन एक 9 च्या टेबलची खासियत आहे. You know? Sorry? एक मी डिरेक्टली एक असा बॉल टाकला, हातामध्ये घेतला आणि टाकला आणि एक स्पिन करून टाकला. स्पिन करतात ना बॉलचं, स्पिन करून बॉलिंग करतात ना क्रिकेटमध्ये. तर कोणता जास्त अंतर पार डिरेक्टली कोणता एक स्लोमध्ये व्यवस्थित तो तिथे जाऊ शकतात मुलं. कारण का हे पुन्हा यूज नाही होणार ना, मी पुन्हा मास्किंग टेप नाही करू शकत. जे ॲक्टिव्हिटी बेस्ड आहेत काही जे रियूज करू शकतो ते ॲक्टिव्हिटी बेस्ड लिहिलेले आहेत. जे डिस्कशन बेस्ड आहेत, आता हे मॅथ्सचं होतं ते डिस्कशन बेस्ड आहे, मग मी तिथे डी लिहिलेले आहे.
999 multiplied by 999. हाँ.
So you be prepared for
Take a string and needle, and then we have inserted it, and then just pull it so that 2D shape will be converted into a
3D shape.
so what you have done.
that we can convert 2D shape into a 3D shape.
असं गोल करून घ्या तो tape.
Okay.